Okay, good afternoon. So this video will show you how to do the CDRC or the Concept Design Review Checklist. Okay, as you all know, CDRC is the first step uh, in doing SD1 and then the PSQ. Okay, so first we need to make sure that we have the latest formats needed for the PSQ task. So we can go to our SharePoint and then Documents, General Folder, 2020 projects, and then project folder, sample project folder. Just download this PSQ folder, this full folder. And then once you downloaded it, you can look at your downloads. Okay, so this will be the composition inside. We have a PSQ folder, SD1, and then the process of the PSQ. Inside the PSQ, we have the CDRC template, concept plan, design criteria, load map, and SD1 folder. So this one is the most important, the one that we need to review, the tender documents or the concept documents that the project lead will provide us. So we need to make sure that it has the date received, and then conceptual architectural plan. Okay, for this project, we received 2 CAD files. So let's open it. Okay. So these are the information that we have. So we have these floor plans and some sort of section elevation. Okay. So let's go to the CDRC template. So let's open the CDRC template. And this is our template. Okay. So the basic items that we need to finish our schematic design is the floor plan, elevation, section, occupancy, methodology, and geotechnical report. Okay. So we need to review if it is complete or what are the necessary actions that we need to do to complete it. Okay, so let's check first. The first thing that we need to check is the elevation and section. This is the most important. Remember, these 2 items, the elevation and section, were the one you needed to imagine. We need to imagine what we will be doing, what we'll be designing. So that's the most important part. We need to understand what are we going to do. What kind of structure, what will be its physical appearance, what are the most likely finishes outside. Okay, so that's the main information that the elevation and section could provide us. Okay, so let's go to the CAD files. Let's run through the CAD files. So for the information that we have, we only have this one elevation. We doesn't even know if this is a front, rear, left, or right elevation. But at least we have the information of floor to floor, and we know the number of floors. So we have ground and second floor, and then we have a top of roof or roof that has this kind of profile. Okay, so going back to CDRC, elevation, we have only one, so we are missing 3 elevations for follow-up. And then we need to know, this give us the information how many floor plans that we going to need. But before that, we need to check if there's a cross section or any sections provided. So looks like there's nothing. So section, missing section. Both sections, as we all know, we have 2 types of section, the cross section and the longitudinal section. Okay, so for follow-up. Okay, so it's very important that everybody knows this one. We know that there should be a cross section, and then there should be a longitudinal section. For elevation, I think everybody's familiar with this one. We should have the front, left, right, and the rear. Okay. For floor plans, basically we just need all the layouts, no? All floors. So let's check if we have that one. Let's go back to the CAD file. No, it's not here. No, it's here. So we have these two, phase 2, block 2, phase 1. So we have two floor plans. Okay, so what's missing? We are missing the roof layout. Roof layout. So we need it for follow-up. Okay, make sure everything is good looking. Okay. Occupancy. Occupancy. Looking at this one, it's not well defined. But if you look on the other CAD file, it was defined as a retail structure. It is made for retail purposes. Okay, so this is complete. We have this one. So action required, nothing to. Methodology. Do we have the methodology? So basically, methodology wise, we need to know the material to be used. For this one, it was identified to be steel. But as discussed during the meetings, it will be concrete. So basically, methodology is what material to be used. So everybody will understand. And the second, what is the pace? How will it be the pacing? Pacing meaning, as you notice, we have this phase 1 and phase 2. But if you look at it, both phases will require the structure to be complete. So basically, the structure will be constructed up to the roof level. Okay? So no issue regarding the pacing. The main issue is like if you are doing only the ground to second, and then you need to, after 2 years, you will proceed with the roof. So that's the much, because in that case, if that's the pacing, we need to design the second floor as temporary roof deck. Okay? So disregard that. We know from this information that we will do the complete building. Okay. So let's go back to our CDRC. So methodology, concrete. We have the concrete or precast if applicable. So I think we can do something like that. So maybe this is enough information. Geotechnical, so we don't have. So don't put it here. Sorry. So this is material is defined. Material is defined. Status. Geotechnical not available. So for follow-up. Okay. Oh, sorry, I missed this one. So first, we also need to define the project. The project is Carbon City. If it is, since Carbon City is a huge development, you need to define the specific structure. So Carbon City Block 2. Owner, I don't know. So we just need to follow up from project lead. Location, Carbon City Cebu. Why is this important? The location. It might happen that the project is close to our existing project. So this geotechnical report, in case it's not available, we can use any near projects as initial reference. Okay, then date updated when did we finish this CDRC? So assume today. So you put it there. Then unmerge this one because we didn't receive any confirmation regarding the geotechnical report, so only this one. We received this one 2006-26 as defined in the architectural folder, no? The date received of the architectural folder. And then for PSQ submission, we cannot define initially. We will just to be announced once the information, but maybe we can because we have enough information. It's not, we just need to assume for some items. So if this already provided, at least we can start our PSQ. So we can define based on process. But for the case of this project, we have an earlier timeline. So it's either the timeline from PL or as per process timeline. Okay? So you can refer to our process to know how much time is allotted to do the PSQ. And then you need to definitely put your name here and then me as a manager, and then we can sign, and then before sending it to a project lead, and at least the project lead will know what they are missing, what do we need from them. Okay, for this case, we observe that the profile, and let's go back to the section. The profile of the roof is quite fancy. So we need to verify or suggest to the project lead that the roofing will be, so we need to verify, so let's put that here. Verify if the roof will be included in our PSQ, or it will be done, or if it will be done, or if it will be done by the by a specialty contractor. Okay, so that one, the project lead should verify with the bids. Okay, so that's all. So CDRC is ready. So as you can see, it can be done very quick. Okay, so this CDRC should be updated every time we receive a conceptual plan or any tender documents coming from the project lead. So although sample, we are doing other tasks. As I'm always mentioning, CDRC will not consume a lot of time. Okay, just need to verify it very fast. So just need to be familiar in plan review. That's the most important. Okay, so that's all, and thank you. So wait for the next video, and the next video will focus on the conceptual plan, how to do the conceptual frame. Okay, thank you. Bye.